You Talk Heavy TV.
What's going on, my good people? It's been a minute. Talk Heavy TV, DJ CUZINB. Right now we are live in Claymont, Delaware, sound of Tristate Car Show 2016. We're about to go around, interview a couple people, asking people about their cars. You know how men love their cars, so we're gonna see how they make love to their cars. Let's get it. Talk Heavy TV.
DJ Eskimo City, the coolest DJ on the motherfucking planet. Wicked tones, you know what I'm saying? What's
Metro Boomin want some more, nigga.
Talk Heavy TV, DJ CUZINB. Like I said, we out here in sound of Tri-State, live, Claymont, Delaware, here with Mr. Incredible Hulk. I'm gonna call him, man. What's your name?
My name is Vinny.
Vinny, how you doing, Vinny?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Tell us about your car, man. Let me get some information about your car, man.
This is a 2010 370Z. It's
Okay.
the 40th anniversary.
Okay.
I got the car in 2010, and ever since I got it, it started putting, started doing different projects with the car.
Okay.
Started doing little changes, like putting vertical lift doors in it. Started changing motor work.
Okay.
This car right here is nitrous oxide injected.
Okay.
We're running 484 horsepower.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
We got
Okay.
a lot of work in there, a lot of chrome. So it's not only just flash, we've got the
You
get a
got
big
the
go as
Hulk
well.
to go with it. So
yes.
what made you come up with the concept of Incredible Hulk? What made you say, you know what, I'm gonna bring this to the car show this year?
All right, well, I gotta hand that all to my son.
Right.
Because my favorite color is green.
Okay.
So then what I started doing was, this is my son Vinny.
Hey, what's going on? So you Vinny Jr. Hey, Junior. Okay.
So then once I started with the lime green, it started with just everything was lime green.
Okay.
And then we started, this car is not painted up, by the way.
Oh, okay.
This car is AutoFlex.
Okay, so
This is
explain that.
dip.
Okay.
Now this is a peelable paint.
Okay.
Now you install the paint just like you would. It's not paint. It's a wrap. It's a liquid wrap that you paint on the car.
Okay.
Now, whenever you're done with the car, you peel this color off and it goes back to the original color.
Wow.
And it peels off just like wallpaper.
Wow.
So then, last year I was at the show.
I got
The car
flake
was
in
a
it, too.
light lime green with the Halo Effects black.
Yeah.
Two different types of flat dip.
Okay.
And then we progressed. The new stuff came out for
Okay.
2016. We did lime green with a gold pearl.
Okay.
And then that's when little monster here decided to put the little Hulk.
Right.
And then at different car shows he's been, and he's gotten all the little memorabilia about the Hulk, and then little by little he's incorporated it into the car.
Okay.
Because my first original, when the car was silver and I started doing the black, the purple with the green, I wanted it to be the Joker.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Because that's
Okay.
me. I'm
Right.
just a big
The Joker. Well, man, do you have any social media people can find you on?
Oh, you can find me on Instagram at Wreaking Havoc Customs. That's me right there.
Okay.
So give me a shout, give me a tag, a follow. I follow back. Wreaking Havoc Customs. I'm from Jersey too.
Jersey. So we got Jersey in the building.
Yeah.
Vinny, aka Mr. Incredible Hulk. Y'all see the vehicle, man. Talk Heavy TV, man. Appreciate
All right.
you, Vinny.
Thank you.
No problem,
All right,
man.
we seen you.
Y'all.
Fuck you mean, fuck your little means. Even Queen B had to tell him I'm the queen. Trust the D, bless the D. The executive producer, bitch, rest in peace. Then he put his hands in my pants, stuck them thick lips and got wood. He said Kylie was good. I said Miley was good. I said, could you pay my bills like O'Reilly was good? I just sit back and observe.
You get penalized, you come around, it ain't enough dope. Keep a bag of Zannies if you're trying to join the family. Got the sauce on me and it's off-white tanny. Puerto Rican freaking up, just sneaking, none I ordered up. She was going in inside the spur like a punch. Fuck around with me and be a checker. I'm on green on asparagus. I think lay, that ain't embarrassing.
DJ CUZINB. Nice little sleek shot. Found the owner. I had to drag him out the registry real quick, man. Just introduce yourself, man. What's your name, man?
It's your boy Ace Boogie, man. Straight out of Philly, man. Germantown.
I heard that, man. So this sleek shot, you know what I mean? What you got going on?
I ain't got too much going on, but the sound system, man. I got some top quality sound system in here, man.
All right,
Man, look, I got the 6.5s going, got the 8 inches, man. Got the 9-inch Alpine radio DVD player. Got the JL cells back there, W7s, man. Everybody asks me how I get them things in there, man. Hey, man, look, it's a one-of-a-kind thing right here. Let me show y'all a little something. Show y'all a little something, man. Things
Oh, that's
right
nice,
there. I got
man.
2 of them in there, too, man.
Can you bless us with a preview real quick?
Oh, my man, he got the key on. I'm gonna let y'all, when y'all,
What made you wanna say, fuck it, let me go ahead and buy the sleek shot?
Yo, man, like, when I first seen him, I'm like, damn, I gotta have one. Like,
Right.
I've been wanting since it came out.
Right.
This year, around, like, in March, that's when I grabbed it.
Right.
And as far as the sound system, like, I've been in that all my life.
Right.
Me and my partner over there, Reed.
Right.
Like, we've been in this all our life. That's all we do is sound system.
All 2000. Well, man, you got any social media to tell the people where they can find you at, man?
Hey, man, you can catch me at Slime Life on Instagram, man. Slime Life. Just Slime Life. No underscore, none of that. Just Slime Life.
Alright.
Slime Life, Sleek Shot, Talk Heavy TV, Tristate, Auto Car Show, 216. We're gonna look around for some more cars. We're gonna get some of these old school cars so I can see a couple old school cars. We're gonna check it out. 16. Here with 3 classic cars. I love my classics. Here with my man. Introduce yourself, man. Dan, he got. What's your car, man? What you got going on?
65 Lincoln Continental. It was a 1-owner, 57,000 original miles.
Wow.
Interior, everything's all original. I put the white walls on last night, and I'm about to do the air ride. Might get a little refresh on the paint coming winter. And we're going to, do some fiberglass work inside there to try to keep it original looking, but
Right. Okay, so was this like a family car passed down, or you just?
Actually, it was a 1-owner. The guy, he knew his time. He was about to pass, and it's kind of sad to say, but he was paying for his funeral with the money for the car.
Wow.
Yeah, but I'm keeping it.
Yeah, take care of it. Yeah, man. Well, you got any Facebook, Instagram?
Instagram is Blue Steel Stitch. BLUEELSTITCH.
Okay.
And I'm Dan Stein on Facebook.
All right, man.
Appreciate you.
The original classic. I'm waiting to get to his buddy because his buddy got this Cadillac, man. I mean, that's old school Cadillac right here, man. What's your name, man? Tommy. Man, tell us about your car, man. What's up with your Cadillac, man?
70 DeVille, did all the paint work, did the air ride, air suspension, made the whole fiberglass dash, did all the wood grain, all digital dash, 19-inch TV in the dash, 19-inch TV in the trunk, 215s, 212s, all custom fiberglass. About it.
Right. So how long have you had the car? Was it kind of like a family car passed down? Or
About 3 years.
3 years? So you kind of like an old school type of guy, like old school cars, man. That's what's up, man. You got any social networks, man? They can find you at Instagram. What's your Instagram?
70 DeVille.
70 DeVille, man.
Say it again? 70 DeVille.
Cadillac DeVille, Burgundy. Only old school out here that's seeing that's badass, man. Talk Heavy TV. We gonna get more, man, right here. Introduce yourself. And he also got a He also got a bike too that he brought out here.
Oh, he bought a bike too?
He got one too. What's your name, man?
My name Amin. I'm from out of Wilmington, man. I've been playing with the car game for a long time. It's been like about 10 years since I did a car show, but life been looking good, so I wanted to do something different. You don't see custom vans. I didn't see a whole lot of other stuff custom. So I got a couple custom cars that I did shows with. But a van, you don't see them in the game. So I wanted to be different, you know what I'm saying? And so, like one of my van is a bike matching van. I did the bike first and said my van was like some raggedy. So I sat behind my boy house for a year. So I took it to my man. I said, listen, you get my bike, I want the van to look the same way. The number was right, so I got it done, man. You know what I mean? And I was good because Sonic Cars, they did the inside. So they called me and was like, yo, we want your van out here. Felt good. Bring the bike too. felt good, man. I spent a couple hours put my little setup up, hoping I get a little something to go home with, man.
Right, well, tell us a little bit.
All right, we got 2 inches for the border.
What you got going on inside, outside?
It's a 96 Chevy
We need 3
conversion,
more
man.
people to
Okay.
start the contest.
The blue, it's a custom blue
We got
paint. I
2.
call it seduction.
First
You walk around the van, you look at the front of the van, it says seduction.
Single.
Everything about the van, it's just
forget we
seductive,
got
it's sexy.
Right.
The blue is made up of, it's a
$1 each.
2010 Porsche blue, a
Watermelon
14 Kawasaki
each
blue,
contest.
and a white.
Okay.
That's what makes the color.
Half an hour.
I got an 8-inch TV up front, 32-inch TV in the back, custom system all we built out. Bike got system on it as well. It's 2006 Gixxer 14.
Okay.
It's matte, 300 kit, air ride, music, custom paint, custom rims, whole nine, man. I just love what I do, man.
Right.
You know what I mean? I'm trying to get ready now. That's my wife sitting right there. She got a little 300 that we just finished, so the next car show we're gonna have that out here.
Okay.
You know what
Okay.
I mean? We're gonna keep the theme up.
Okay.
Keep the theme up.
You got any social networks, man? They can find your van at or your shop where you get to. I know a lot of people don't like giving they shop out, but you know.
I love my man. I love his work.
Right.
The only difference is I don't play Delaware. My man is in Allentown, Pennsylvania.
Okay.
His name Alex, AP Auto. You can look
started
him up.
judging.
Beast.
Make
When I
sure
say he a
your
beast, you gonna love
registration
every
is
bit of
in
his
your
work.
window.
When it comes to the insides, TV
Judging
systems, and
has
all that,
started.
I don't go nowhere but shout out Tristate. My man BJ, I'm gonna shout BJ out, Kelly out, Lady the owner out because they take good care of me.
Right.
I don't have no complaints and I ain't never had to come back. If I blow a speaker, they put it in, they don't ask me for no money, don't hold on. The love is just crazy with them. I've been dealing with them since I was a teenager. You know what I'm saying? So,
Right.
I'm at home with the people that I deal with. You know what I mean?
Right.
It's just love for me, man. I'm on Facebook. I mean Mustafa. I'm on Instagram. I don't do Twitter. No, I ain't got time for Twitter and all that.
Yeah.
Instagram, you know, I put up a couple pictures of different things. I'm gonna put up a lot of pictures of this show, and it's another show that I got invited to on Ocean
Okay,
City.
I got 3
So I'm gonna
entries
do
for the
something
World
different. I got another
Eat
car, but
contest.
you got to come to Ocean City to see it though.
Okay.
I got something else for Ocean
I
City.
got 2 entries for the
Just love,
Watermelon
man.
Eat
Then,
contest.
you get to see
I need 2 more.
meet different people that
2
do different
more
things, and then
to
you know what
enter.
y'all got going on with
We're
the
going to be
TV
starting
show,
in half an
blessed to be
hour.
on it. That's love,
Please
man.
come
Yeah,
register
yeah,
I
man.
appreciate it.
by the
That means I spent my money well.
Right. Of course,
I love
of
it,
course.
man. You know, I salute it, man. You know, everybody out here doing what they love.
Yeah, man. Talk Heavy TV, seduction. I'm gonna let y'all get a peep inside her since the owner said it's okay. And we gonna get some more cars around here. Cousin B, let's get it. Appreciate that.